guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my locks, even if they are as short as mine or it may be even a little bit longer. So let's go ahead and get started. This look is the easiest look. It's basically just a regular half up, half down ponytail. I like to leave some pieces out in the front just because that's my preference. You don't have to if you don't want to, of course. But I'm going to show you guys how I make this look a little bit more full than it normally would if I were to take it and double it with a regular hairband. The way that I do that is I take a singular elastic rubber band and I put it around my hair once. I don't double it, I just do it once, and then you guys will see I just start to pull it a little bit and make it look full, kind of give a little bit of an illusion. It's basically the same idea with the last hairstyle that we just did, except you're doing 2 ponytails up top instead of 1. You're going to pull it the same way to create that illusion, and you're only going to wrap it around once instead of twice.
Active by night, keep going crazy.
This look is an add-on, so you're just going to do a ponytail in the back. Super simple, and it's kind of cute, and I really like it a lot. So for this look, keep your ponytail in the back, and you're just going to take one of your ponytails out, and you're going to cornrow it back. So you're going to basically have 2 half cornrows at the top, and then you're going to have your hair out in the back. This was a little bit difficult to do. I suck at explaining how to cornrow, so I'll leave some tutorials down below that I think will really help if you guys don't know how to cornrow already. But yeah, it's basically just it. You just do it on that side, and then once that side is done, you just do it on the other side. I like to make the end a little bit of a bun, as you guys are going to see. I don't really like the whole ponytail look, but if you guys find that to look better, then you can go ahead and do that. But I like to make it into a bun.
Active by night, keep going crazy.
I'm trying to do my best at making these hairstyles flow, so for this look, you're just going to take the end of the ponytail out, and then you're going to continue the cornrow all the way down into the back.
Active by night.
This look is super easy. You're just going to go from the hair in front of your ear, and you're going to go all the way around. So basically that whole front section of your hair, you're going to separate it from the back of your hair so that way it doesn't get in the way. What you're going to do now is just flat twist your hair to the back, going in the direction to the back of your head. Do not go to the front. It kind of gives off a weird look. So make sure that you're flat twisting it to the back, and you're going to do that around the whole front perimeter. I'm leaving the 2 pieces out in the front, but if you want to bring them into the flat twist as well, you can. To secure it at the end, I just twist it all the way down, and then I grab a lock from the back of my hair and I tie it with an elastic just to make the pieces pretty secure. You can pin it if you want, but this way it's a bit more secure to me, in my opinion. To complete this look, you're going to do the exact same thing that you just did, except go all the way around the perimeter. This can be a little bit of a challenge sometimes, but as long as you're switching arm positions to whatever is comfortable for you, you'll be able to get it done. So you just go all the way around the perimeter of your head doing this flat twist, and it'll look super, super cute, as you guys will see really, really soon. Once I get back to the front, I'm just going to twist it all the way around, tuck it, and then pin it into itself. This hairstyle is basically just like the first one, except you're going to be leaving some bangs out in the front.
Active by night. Keep going crazy.
Same exact style as the last one, except I use a thicker hair tie for this, and I just put it into a bun with the bangs out. Hey guys, sorry if you guys hear my fan. It was really hot and I did not want to pass out making this video, so if you guys hear it, I'm so sorry. But this ends this hairstyles video. I hope that this helps some of you guys figure out some cute and easy quick ways to style your short locks, or even if your locks are longer than mine, you can definitely do these hairstyles and you might be able to add a little bit more to them given the extra length. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, follow me on my social, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.